Are you struggling to design a modern, feature-rich travel app from scratch? Crafting an intuitive user interface for personalized trip planning and booking can be incredibly time-consuming and complex. Designers and developers often spend countless hours creating screens, delaying project launches and increasing costs. Imagine effortlessly creating a cutting-edge travel application that truly delights users. Introducing WanderPro, the AI trip planner travel and booking app UI template kit, your ultimate solution for accelerating app development. WanderPro offers a comprehensive Figma template, beautifully designed to bring your travel app vision to life faster. At its core, WanderPro features an AI-powered trip planner, generating personalized itineraries and smart recommendations tailored to user preferences. Users can seamlessly plan every aspect of their journey, from flights and hotels to local activities, all within one intuitive interface. This kit provides over 50 unique, expertly crafted screens, covering every essential user journey, from search and booking to profile management. Built with a robust design system, WanderPro ensures consistency across all elements, utilizing global styles, reusable components, and auto layout. Its clean, elegant, and modern design aesthetic is fully customizable, allowing you to easily adapt colors, typography, and imagery to match your brand perfectly. Each screen is vector-based for perfect scalability and crisp visuals on any device. The Figma file is expertly organized with named layers and groups, making it incredibly easy for designers and developers to navigate. It also comes prototype-ready, letting you demonstrate interactive user flows and gather valuable feedback early. Save hundreds of hours in design and development time, launching your next travel app project with confidence and a polished, professional look. Don't let design hurdles delay your next big innovation. Elevate your travel app project with WanderPro today and give your users an unparalleled travel planning experience. Find the link to get your WanderPro UI template kit in the description below.